Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kate and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So it's Friday night. I want to do like a little noodle dish. I don't know, something about Fridays, Saturday nights gives like takeout vibes. And y'all know I don't really be eating out like that because can't be asked. But this pad keema is perfect for the weekend. It's super quick to put together and it's delicious. So if you want to see how I made a vegan pad keema, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. As always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what I like about this recipe is, like, I ain't lying to you, it really is quick. Like, you in and out. It's gonna take a little bit of prep, but yeah. Okay, you can use whatever protein you want. You could keep the protein out and just use vegetables. Like, girl, I ain't gonna be at your house. Ooh, unless you invite me, that sounds fun. So do whatever you want to do, okay? I'm using some vegan beef. I use the Very Soy brand. I get it from the Asian market. And it's very versatile. I use it for a lot of different things. I use it for tacos, like, especially when I'm making tacos for a bunch of people. Oh, I'm finna go in with this vegan beef. But you can use tofu. You can use I feel like it would be good with just like vegetables. Like you need some bell peppers, some onions, whatever case may be. Yeah, do whatever you want to do. Let me know what you do. Soy curls, whatever. Okay, so I had forgot this garlic came in handy. I forgot I bought this from Trader Joe's. So I use and this recipe calls for mad garlic, like mad garlic. And I been meaning to buy, what's that called, a molcajete. I've been meaning to buy one of those. I haven't bought it yet. And I was like kind of dreading having to like use my mortar because I don't got no pestle, or it's the other way around. Girl, whatever. But I forgot I had this little attachment for my immersion blender. Ooh, she fancy. But yeah, mad chilies, mad garlic, whatever the recipe says. Did that, put it to the side. Okay, about to make some sauce. So I'm going in with some soy sauce. I like using low sodium soy sauce, but this is not soy sauce. It's like tamari, whatever. Anyway, girl, it works. And then some dark soy sauce, which I was like on the fence about because it's my first time using dark soy sauce, but it's like a little sweet. It works. Just trust me. And it's gonna taste salty, but like it balances out. It balances out. Some agave, some vegan oyster sauce. You can use hoisin. Hoisin will change the flavor of this, but it's still gonna be good. But you could use hoisin if you can't find a vegan oyster. I feel like I can either find it or I can't. Like, I'll be going to the Asian market like, y'all got it today? So just keep that in mind. Some vegan fish sauce. You can probably take this out. Maybe you can use some ground up nori. Like, go like this with some nori. But it's fine. And then some Shaoxing wine. That's optional. It's in the recipe. It's optional. I had it around. What did me and my friends made? We made lo mein, I feel like, on FaceTime. Me and my childhood friends, we get on FaceTime like once a month if we cook. And you know, I'm doing the vegan version. So I had I have this big old thing of Shaoxing wine. So I was like, I'll put it in there. It was good. Okay, anyway. So I'm gonna heat some oil. I like to use sesame oil because I want to be a sesame oil. And yeah, I browned my beef. It got a little, you know, it got a little festive in here because I was multitasking. So it got a little charred, but mind your business, okay? Took my vegan beef out. Now I'm adding this chili garlic mixture. Y'all, I was like this with it. Like, I was like, oh my God. Because, like, you will start to cough. Like, put a mask on. Like, get you a K95 or whatever it's called. Because I was like this. Like, you do not want to be right above it. Like, you feel like your larynx about to fall out. You know what I'm saying? Like, like, I don't know how to describe it. It get mad smoky. I have a fan over my stove. I didn't turn it on. Katie, what I be doing? I don't know. But just be careful. That's all I'm finna say. It's not like dangerous. Just be aware. Okay? Anyway, I got these rice noodles from the Asian market. The last time I made a dish like this, what was it? Pad see ew. Ooh, I made that again. That was so freaking good. Anyway, I made my own rice noodles. I couldn't be asked this time. I got them from the Asian market, but I think it's worth it. Okay. And then I added my sauce in. Oh, you have to put them in the microwave for a little bit. It says it on the package. Put it in the microwave for a little bit. I should have put it in longer just to soften them up so then you can, you know, put them in. And then I had forgot that you're supposed to add guideline. And I had guideline in the fridge. I wouldn't skip the guideline. Like, especially like as a Jamaican girly, it reminds me a lot of callaloo. Like, it's tasty, okay? So I had to saute it and add it back in, but you won't do that. You won't put it in. It's like you saute your protein, whatever you decide, vegan, very soy, whatever. Take it out, do your guideline, take that out, then do your garlic and your this and your that, okay? Boom, I'm gonna finish it off with Thai basil. Do not use regular basil. I heard somebody say you can use regular basil. Girl, you want it to taste like ratatouille in Thailand. No, don't do that. Either use Thai basil or don't use it at all. Thai basil, it just tastes completely different. It's like more licoricey. It is so good. Like, but do not do that. Okay. Anyway, this came out so good. Like, you have to try it. It's perfect. With your little chopstick moment, you know, get you a little movie on. I'm telling you, like, it is perfect. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because I know I have enough videos. Yo, I got a pad CU. What else I got? I got mad noodle dishes. Check out the noodles, okay? Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.